Here's how to fix Instagram not letting you make a new account. Now, if you're in the Instagram app and you're trying to create a new or second account and it's just not letting you, I'm going to walk you through some steps on why that might be and how to get it fixed. So let's hop into Instagram here. And you can see at the very bottom, create new account. So I can tap on that. I can enter in my name, and then it will ask for my email address and phone number, and I'm entering all those things. The first thing that I would recommend doing is making sure that that email address or that phone number is not already tied to an account. Because if it is, then basically you can't create another account using that exact same email. So I recommend going back here and let's hit stop. And what we're going to do is just hit this forgot password button. What you're going to do is enter in your email address and then hit this search by mobile number instead. So enter in that email address or that phone number, depending on what you're using to sign up with the account, and see if it texts you a code. Now, if it does text you a code, then that likely means that you have an account already associated with that. So you just need to log into that account. Maybe you can change your email address or phone number in that one, or just use a different phone number or email to sign up with a new account. Now, another thing that might be causing you to not be able to create a new account is because your original account is disabled. So if you get your account disabled because you violated community guidelines, anything like that, you have a permanent ban on your original account, potentially they will limit your ability to create a new account as well. So if they ban you, basically they don't want you to just turn around and use a different email address and create a different account. So you'll need to log into your original account that might have gotten banned, and you look for basically an appeal. So what you're going to do is hop into Instagram, and at the bottom there, at the little heart with the notifications there, just tap on that and you should get a notification indicating that maybe your account was banned or some violation on there or something like that. You'll need to resolve that first before you can hop into Instagram and create a secondary account. Hope this helps. If you have any questions on that, leave them in the comments down below, and I'll catch you on the next one.